This is just going to be a test of my System Sensor Classic and my System Sensor Spectral Advance. You could say that. Hold on, plug it in. There we go. You can put it to 6 volts. Honestly, that's weird. Wow. I'm brightly surprised. We're at 5.4 volts. This thing can't even handle... Oop, it quit. Oh, it's because I unplugged it. This thing can't even handle 5.4 volts. This can, but I don't think strobe works. Nope, strobe doesn't work. Yeah, it's going off. Let's put it back on 9 volts. There you go. That's better. Well, I guess you can say that, it'll run on 5 volts. That's just the horn. That won't run. And obviously you need some sort of, module to run this one. You don't need a module. This one, you need a module to run the horn without the strobe, if you don't want the strobe. And that will run because it's a 3-wire. This will run. This won't run because it's a 4-wire, and it needs a module to run a horn without the strobe. And to power the horn, you have to power the strobe. That one is the classic. The advance, well, you could say it's more advanced. This one, you can power the horn without the strobe, and still get the horn action and not the strobe. And you can take out the horn by disabling it and have the strobe only. But I wouldn't do that because you might break your alarm. And believe me, I've taken one of these apart before. I've taken one of those apart before. It's got a black horn piece, piezo, with a little plastic tone piece. It's like a little plastic speaker piece. Believe me, I played my music on it. It works. It's just low. Yeah, I hooked it to a stereo system, and it worked great. Believe it or not. And I've hooked that alarm, the circuit board, to a speaker piece, and it actually worked, but it was low. I've tried it with the other alarm that got thrown away. This one I'm not going to take apart, period, because those things are very fragile, and I don't want to. I've taken that apart right over there many times. I've taken it apart many times. Still works great. Yeah, pretty much it. Thank you for watching.